Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining the webinar today. This is Devaki from MassMailer. Today I'm going to talk about inboxing service and a little bit more details about inboxing service, what it means, why do you need it, what are the benefits, and how does it really work, and what are the costs involved, and all of those things. Yeah. So basically, the inboxing service is typically used in the industry when you have email deliverability issues. So basically, your goal is to always deliver emails to inbox, but not to the spam folder. So one of the ways that you can achieve is through the inboxing service. We'll get into the details. What is the inboxing service? MassMailer Inboxing Service means it basically engages positive email activity for your domain. And again, what is positive email activity? So email activity means typically you send an email to someone, they open it, they read it, click it, and they respond. They click any links in the email, maybe they would respond back to you. So, and then you keep on going back and forth, right? That's more like email activity. Your ultimate goal is when you're sending out emails to someone, you want them to read, you want them to open, you want them to click, you want them to respond back to your email. So that email activity, if it improves or increases, then obviously the domain reputation and the IP reputation really goes up, and you would get a higher open rate and higher response rate, right? So that's called a positive email activity. So basically, the inboxing service engages into that email activity for your domain automatically without you noticing it. So why do you need this inboxing service? Again, if you are using MassMailer or using any other email service provider, you always wonder, hey, why my open rates are very low? Why my email messages are going to spam? So the reasons could be many, but obviously what we are trying to focus today is about the open date and how to really deliver your emails to inbox. One of the ways that you can achieve is the inboxing. So basically, in order for you to deliver the emails to inbox and also get a higher open rate, you would want to leverage the inboxing service. So you can say, hey, I do have a dedicated IP. Why can't I just use my dedicated IP, increase the activity? So the reason is, again, the many factors that are involved for you to get a higher deliverability rate, right? It's email content, it's the email list that you have, how clean is the email list, what are you really sending, and do you have a good repeated domain? Do you have a good repeated dedicated IP address? So there are many factors involved. So just having a dedicated IP does not mean that the overall open rate is going to increase because let's say you're sending out emails to unknown people or known people, they may or may not really engage with your content and the emails. And how do you really expect the open rate to go up in general? So if there is any parallel service that is actually engaging in an email activity in a positive manner, that way you're actually influencing behind the scenes. The reputation of IP goes up because the parallel email service or the inboxing service is actually real-time engaging into an email activity would influence the reputation of your domain and also the IP address. So that's basically kind of how it kind of works, and that's the reason why you need this inboxing service. And the benefits, again, I'm just going to reiterate here, whether you're a startup or a growing business, whether you're doing outbound sales, marketing, any purpose that you have for sending out emails where you really want to see that emails, you want the emails to go to inbox, but not to the spam folder. You want a higher open rate. That is when you would go with the MassMailer inboxing service. which will deliver the emails to inbox. Okay? The benefits, again, it would increase the domain reputation, it influences the IP reputation. You can see the open rate and the click rate increasing eventually. And of course, more important thing is that making sure that the emails are getting delivered to the inbox and then stay in the inbox, right? So these are the benefits that you will see with the inboxing service. And some of the highlights, how do we achieve this? So as I mentioned to you, so we, behind the scenes, we actually send out emails to, 1,000 plus seeded email accounts, and then we automatically do all the email activity, such as opening those emails, replying back to those emails, based on certain predefined schedule, so which is not even seen by you. It's all done automatically behind the scenes for you. Okay. So basically, the emails would be sent out to the serial list, and also all the any emails that are going to the spam folder will be put back into the inbox, and they get opened. They marked as important, and they get replied. The reply and open rate is not going to be 100% always. We keep it, industry standard, which is around 30% open and reply rate. So that way you would have those great interactions behind the scenes, which is actually going to have a very positive impact on your overall sender reputation, the domain reputation, and IP reputation. How much does it cost then? If you're familiar with MassMailer pricing tiers, so it is based on the number of users and also what email plan that you're choosing. So you could basically go with a premier plan for the inboxing, or as an add-on if you're already an existing customer, or if you're going with the lower tiers, you can always add this inboxing plan as an add-on. The cost is again based on the email volume per month, how many emails you're sending per month. So premier plan starts at 100K emails per month, which costs you $299 per month. But as you know, the user license is going to be an extra cost. Again, it's per user, it's $49.99 per user per month. We have detailed pricing on our website. If you go to massmailer.io, you can see the pricing tab, and you click on it, you will see all the pricing tiers that we have. But what if your email volume is less than 100K? You can still add the inboxing plan as an add-on, just for $149.99 per month, with an additional cost for the dedicated IP address. So you have to have a dedicated IP address. So we can always work with the pricing based on what is your email volume per month. We can give you a quote based on that. And if you're an existing MassMailer customer, again, you can add the inboxing plan as add-on. It costs you $149.99. That's only for one domain though. So if you needed to add this inboxing plan for more domains and IP addresses, that's going to cost you extra. So for one domain, one IP, $149.99 per month is the cost. Just to kind of show you this how the pricing tiers work. Again, we have detailed pricing on our website. At a high level, you can see that you purchase a license per user per month, $49.99, and then you want to add the premier plan, which has the inboxing plan in it. So it starts at 100K, $299.99, and then it keeps going up, 200, 300, 400, 500. If you need it beyond 500K, that's fine. You just let us know, and we'll give you a code for that. So basically, the pricing is just for one domain and one IP address. It's per company per month. And again, if you needed it for more domains and more IP addresses, then we'll have to give you an additional cost. So if you go the annual billing, there's a 10% discount always. Okay? That's how the pricing would really work. And again, if it is confusing, I'm happy to give you a quote if you just contact us. Once again, thank you so much for joining the call today. I hope you understand by now what MassMailer Inboxing Service means. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach us out. You can contact us on our website, send us an email, hello@massmailer.io, or you can always contact me personally. My email address here is siva.devaki@massmailer.io, and you got my contact information as well. And this is a weekly webinar every Thursday at 9 a.m. Pacific. Feel free to join our next webinar. You would be receiving an email if you are in our contact list. And of course, we also publish all our webinars on our website and also all our social channels. Once again, thank you so much for joining and have a great day. Take care.